Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
And my name is Taylor Green and I'm the other audiologist here. So this is another patient of mine. You can see we've got this thick old plug of dark waxes in here. So we've got the standard size ulnar tube. I think I've just started on the other ear, haven't I? This is my editor guide, so I'm sorry if I just put the wrong...
It's all right. You'll still see both, I'm sure. Don't worry about it.
We'll see them both. But we got the standard size ulnar tube here anyway.
Well, that's a nice pull.
Oh, it's a long piece as well.
That was a good size piece, that one. I couldn't tell whether that was solid at the end or whether it was like a piece of keratin at the end. I couldn't quite tell from that shot.
You could kind of see that thin layer then. As I went back in with the suction tube, you could see it all pulling in towards the suction tube. I hate those little bits as well because they always tend to make it kind of whistle and squeak.
It is hard when you get that little lift of keratin from the bottom that just blocks you getting to the plug as well, isn't it? It's not easy.
But it is coming away okay for us at the moment. A bit of a turbo wiggle again.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, breaking away a lot, isn't it, at the entrance, this one? Yeah, it's really fine movement to get that out. Oh, you can see that wrap of keratin around there.
Oh, there we go, look at that.
Oh, squeaky clean. That is lovely. That's a nice one, that one. That's a nice one.
So yeah, looking nice and healthy there. Great. And this is the one that I should have started with. So it's sticking with the standard size ulnar tube. I'm starting at the bottom of the plug, so I always try to detach it off the ear canal. Oh, this is kind of breaking away in pieces here.
Getting away a little bit there.
Almost having to sort of open up the ear canal here as well. So you've got a bit of a sharp bend in this ear canal.
So you just like pushing the tool or the endoscope against that one side and to straighten it out a little bit. Is it straighten it out?
Yeah, so it's mostly with the camera. I personally tend to find easier. Kind of keeps the camera more stable as well. Yeah. Almost impossible with some ears though. If they're really dead straight, you're kind of almost like hovering in the middle of the ear canal.
Yeah, they are harder actually, those shapes of ear canals.
Oh, is this going to stay together? No.
No.
Just answered my question before I even finished it.
My stock spiel for this is like, it's coming out in installments. I don't care as long as it's coming out. I usually tell the patient at this point. Yeah.
Even if I'm getting little tiny pieces.
It all helps to make that plug smaller, doesn't it?
Yeah, more room for movement. We're almost there, I think. We're not far from there, and we can see the eardrum in the distance. Oh, yeah, I can see all that coming away really quickly there now. Bit of a messy ear canal, this one, but there's not much more I'm going to be able to do to that, to be honest. Excuse me, guys. My voice is cracking up today.
Yeah, it's more about, like I said, it was one that I think beginning part of the week. It's more like a thin oil, isn't it?
Yeah. A
lot come out though. 4
yeah, we've got quite a bit there. I'm losing my voice. Sorry.
Do you want me to help you out with the inches? Inch
and a half.
Yeah.
Just over inch and a half.
Inch and 9/16.
Oh.
I like that. That's impressive.
That's really good.
Oh, guys, thank you very much for watching our video again today. Don't forget to like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe for us. If you've got any ear problems or any wax problems at all, you can check out the link tree, book yourself an appointment with myself or the lovely and amazing Miss Taylor Green.
Stop.
Yeah. So as always, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another, and we'll see you again real soon. Bye, everyone.
Bye.